Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Google app officially on Android 10. So this is my Android smartphone and I have Android version 10 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and let me do a search for Android version, and let me tap on this Android version over here, this link. And you can see guys, here I have this Android version 10 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. So Redmi Note 7 Pro is an Android based phone. So let me close this, settings app. So guys, first of all, you have to update your, Google app to the latest version if you have not updated it. So just, open your Google Play Store and just do a search for Google app. So let me do that. Let me tap on this Google app. So here I have this Google app from Google LLC. Let me tap on this and I have this page opened. And you can see guys, I don't have any update button over here because I recently updated it. If you see the update button, just tap on the update button and it will update your Google app to the latest version. And after that, you can open your Google app by tapping on this open button over here. And also you can go back and find your Google app over here. Okay. So let me open my Google, folder. Here I have this Google app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened and you can see I don't have any dark mode enabled in this Google app. So in order to enable dark mode, what you need to do, you have to tap on this more, this link at the bottom right. So let me tap on this and then you have to tap on this settings. And after that guys, you have to tap on this general. And on this screen you have to scroll down at the very bottom and then tap on this theme. You can see I have this currently system default theme selected. So just tap on this theme and you can see I have this pop-up choose theme, and here we have three options: light, dark and system default. So you have to tap on this dark. So let me tap on this and you can see we have this dark mode enabled. And if I go back, you can see, so let me go to the main screen and you can see guys, we have this dark mode enabled in Google app. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.